there.
Oh my goodness, they're everywhere.
Pretty.
There, it's right in the sunlight. What?
Look at the legs on that. Right there. Massive legs. It doesn't have the body that the other one did. But there.
I'm glad I'm not afraid of spiders.
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, that is the biggest one for sure. Wow, look at that massive spider. There's a little tiny one right here.
I like this one. There's lots of them. This is like a nightmare. This
oh
is like
yeah.
arachnophobia.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, Dan. There's so many.
Yeah, I know.
There's so many.
I know.
Oh wow, I've never seen this before. I'm actually afraid to walk under this.
There's little bitty ones in there.
Wow. Look at all of them. That's crazy. I've never seen so many spiders all at once like that.
There's one right there. I'm pointing up at all. They're everywhere. Always stick your arms up too much. It's actually, they're lower than.
Oh my goodness,
Don't
there's
walk.
thousands of them everywhere. Oh, the size of the tree. Everywhere we look, there's spiders.
There's one. There's a big one over there.
Oh man. Is this your nightmare?
I got used to it. Now, if it fell on me, that might be a different story. That's a different one.
Oh, look at that one.
Watch out for the scout.
Oh, look up there. There's a big spider up there. It's up so high.
Its legs stretched out. It's at least as big as my palm.
A dragonfly. Oh, it's just one. I thought it was two.